DC Condo Domain Nation, Condo Loft Nation. I'm on the balcony of my apartment right now, and I ask you this: when was the last time you saw it raining this hard in Washington, D.C.? I can't even explain this. It is absolutely pouring. It's like a monsoon. I don't even think I can get the full breadth of it without being out there, which I don't want to do right now, so I'm not going to. Sorry, but I hope if you're in DC today and you're going somewhere outside, I hope you're not going on a Segway. Or if you're more normal than that, not walking. Hopefully you have a car, you're riding the metro or something, because this is nuts. If you're not in DC right now, if you're thinking about moving here, this is not standard, believe me.
Nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. And I heard him say